Week 2, Word Best Friend Shelter template letter. So we're going to be creating this from the templates in Word. I have the preview of what it will look like when it's completed. And there's also another file which is considered Best Friend Shelter Object, which is a Word document. You will need to open it and save it immediately into your Word folder and then close out of it. And then choose File, New. So this is a preview of what it will look like when we're finished. So it's a template letter, and we're going to put in a word art for a title. We'll add some pictures and contact information. We'll have a date and a mailing address, and then these 3 paragraphs are the paragraphs that are in that object that are already typed for you. So the first thing you'll need to do is in Word, choose File, New. Under the search box, select Letters, and then you'll scroll down and we're looking for a specific one, and it's called Swirl Color Letterhead. Select that and create. And the first thing we're going to do is put it in a word art. So choose Insert, and in the text area, select Word Art. You can select anything you'd like. And then to move it up here, always go to the border where you have the 4 arrows and then hold and drag. Then triple click inside to select everything, and you'll type Best Friend Shelter. And it's off center, so you can just move it a little bit more. If you want to get fancy, you can, in shape format, under Word Art Styles, there's text effects where you could add a shadow, a reflection, glow. My favorite is transform, so you can change the lettering if you'd like. Triple click and you can make the font size a little bit larger. Again, it throws it off center, so you can just move it. I think I don't think 48 is too big. I like to have it all on one line, so you can just do whatever you'd like. Next thing we'll do, these are called placeholders, and you click and type the information you want. I selected your name, but I don't want to type a name. Instead, I want to put a picture in there. So I'm just going to press delete and then insert picture. I'm going to go to stock images and then choose dog. Type anything you'd like. The birthday dog, insert. It will be, usually the pictures you select are very large. If you go into the size category, click the height, and then I'm just going to type 1 and enter. 1 inch is plenty. Next thing, we'll do the contact information. So select your address, and we'll use stick address. So 1 Armory Square. And the phone number, make one up, 413-555-5555. Your email, you can use yours or mine. And for the web address, I'll put in www.stcc.edu. For the date, you can type the date or click Insert, choose Calendar, and the third option is the best, and OK. The recipient, just click, and it's Miss Grace Gotham. And the recipient address is 555 Main Street, and we'll use Springfield, Mass. Dear recipient, we'll put in Miss Gotham, and it really should be a colon, and I'm going to get rid of the comma. Now select, and it doesn't matter where you click because it's going to select all 3 paragraphs, and in place of you want the object that you've saved, so click Insert. And over in the text area, there's this is an object tab. Click the down arrow and choose Text from File, and then look for your Best Friend Shelter object. Click it and insert, and it replaces the standard template paragraphs with our new paragraph. So we just have a couple extra enters. So I'm just going to press delete, and then after sincerely, enter. And then you'll type your name right here. And in here I inserted 3 pictures, and I'll show you the preview of it. And you can select whatever you, so I put in 3 pictures. I made the first one a little bit larger. Again, you probably want to change it to either in front of text. That's what I chose for all of them, in front of text. That way you can move them around easily. So you have to make sure you choose layout options. And if we were to look at the size, I went about 1.5 inches. So you can choose whatever you'd like. 1 picture, 3 pictures, whatever you'd like. And that'll be a save and submit. Thank you.